Today is actually a very special video because I will be giving you guys a tour of my brand new apartment. So just to let you guys know, it's actually moving day. So you will see a few boxes and bags and a few of my stuff here in the apartment, but I still wanted to give you guys a full like empty apartment tour. And then I will most likely give you like a furnished apartment tour once everything is out and the apartment is nice and clean and everything is like nice and furnished. I will definitely be showing you guys that as well. So it's more like the before and after apartment tour. So I just got the keys to my brand new apartment a few days ago, and today I'm actually moving into this apartment, which I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and start the tour. So this is literally like when you walk in. So I'm giving you guys like the full MTV style crib apartment tour. So this is my kitchen, as you guys see. So the minute you enter through this door, the minute you enter through this door, you have your kitchen here on the left-hand side, and then you have your living room space. Back there it is your patio, and then right over here it's actually my son's room, his bathroom. To this side, this is where you have like your washer and dryer. This side it is that's the master bedroom. So let's go ahead and just see what it is that I got myself into. I love the lighting. The lighting is definitely like the best thing of this apartment, other than the kitchen, because I mean, like, let's be serious, who does not love this kitchen? And we never had a double-sided or double door refrigerator, so that's exciting. And then we have granite all over the apartment, which is like stupid awesome. Obviously, I'm super excited because it does come with a microwave, because a lot of apartments actually don't come with microwave. And another thing that's like super exciting about this is not only how deep the sink is, but like, look at this. Look at this. I mean, like, this is freaking awesome. So that is, go back in. Okay, that is that. And then you do have your dishwasher, which I actually don't use as much, but I love how much like pantry and cabinet space it has. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with this area right here. I don't know just yet. So I know you guys probably noticed that I do have like a red-orange wall. I wanted like a nice pop of color, and this was like the it color for me. I love this color so much. This is where I obviously will have my sofas, and then this is where I will have my flat screen TV. I'm gonna install it on the wall. Now we're gonna go into the patio. This is the patio. It's like so big for like no freaking reason. And I love that it's actually a closed patio, so I don't have to worry about no damn bugs coming in. You can see from like the inside out, the outside in, going back into the apartment. Yeah, I know, guys. Look at all that stuff that I have over there. So this area right here is actually where I will have my dining room set. I have a nice, decent dining room set, so that is where that's going to go. Right over here to this side, it is my little closet where obviously I'm gonna do laundry. I'm probably gonna put a few things right up here, like some of my board games that I have. And I'm gonna figure out if I can actually put my bike and my son's bike right over here. I wish they like cover that, but it's fine because, you know, I can like wheel it in. Now we're actually gonna go right over here this way. It is my son's room. So to your right over here, this is his bathroom, and I know he's like super excited about it. He's actually telling me what he wants to do with his room. One thing I love about this bathroom is the garden tub is like ridiculously big. Like, bruh, talk about a spa day. And then you have like your lighting, your big ass mirror. It's perfect. Where you can like store all your stuff, you know? Now, right across from his bathroom, it's like this the smallest little closet ever. My mom opens and she's like, ¿Y qué tú vas a hacer con esto? I'm like, I have no idea, ma. Like, this is like beyond little. But I guess, I don't know. Maybe like, I don't know, I'll hide my snacks there or something. Now, right in here, hi, Papi, say hi. Hi. This is my son's room. I love how different it is, like all the angles and stuff. So I know he's gonna tell me what it is that he wants to do with his room, and I'm more than happy to obviously make him happy. Now, this is his closet. He has a walk-in closet, which is pretty bomb because he does have a lot of toys. And obviously in clothes and all that other stuff, but there's a lot of places where he can just store all of his belongings. And then one thing that I do love about this apartment too, it is vinyl all over the floor. So I don't have to worry too much about like carpet and, you know, staying in the carpets and stuff. I mean, like, whew, look at that kitchen. All right, next we are going to my room, you know, where all the good loving is going to happen. Yeah, right. Okay, so right this way, this is my closet. I have a huge, gigantic, ginormous closet. And as you guys can see, I said I'm moving, so there's a few stuff here and there, bear with me. I promise you that once the whole entire apartment is completely furnished, I am going to show you a complete apartment home tour guide thingamajigs. So this is my entire closet. One thing that I love about this is this area right here. I may or may not put my shoes there. I may or may not put my makeup there. I have no idea what I'm gonna do there. Okay, now this is my bedroom. Now it may seem a little tiny, but I know my king size bed will fit here very comfortably, which is super exciting. So I was actually thinking about maybe putting my bed over here and then maybe putting like el bureau, you know, the stuff right over here. So I don't know yet. Or I actually was thinking about putting my bed right over here because I really don't know if I want all that lighting coming in.
My bathroom. I call it.
Now this is my bathroom. So this is the master bathroom. It actually looks very similar to my son's.
It's just that is like much more longer and the thing and the outside thing is bigger.
It is. Oh, I didn't know that. See, he noticed something that I didn't. But yeah, this is where I also store like, oh my goodness, all the good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this empty apartment tour. I am so excited about this new journey that God is literally like guiding me through. I am like super excited to not only get everything unpacked, but also settle into my new place. Until next time, amigos, please don't forget to like and subscribe and also hit that notification bell. So and then when I do upload my furnished apartment tour, you guys are in the loop. You guys are gonna see the goodness.
Bye.